Hi friends, I am C.L. Pawar, physics teacher. Now we have started the topic magnetic materials. This is fourth lecture on this topic. Now in this lecture, we have to study the properties of substances. Any substance is divided into three groups: diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic on their behavior in magnetic field. Now first, diamagnetic substances. What are diamagnetic substances? The substances which are weakly repelled by magnet are called diamagnetic substances, and the property is called diamagnetism. So what are diamagnetic substances? The substances which are weakly repelled by magnet are called diamagnetic substances, and this property is called diamagnetism. Now the properties of diamagnetic substances. First property, when diamagnetic substance is placed in external non-uniform magnetic field, it moves from stronger to weaker part of the field. This is first property. When such substance is placed in non-uniform magnetic field, it moves from stronger to weaker part. Second property, when thin rod of substance is suspended in uniform magnetic field, it comes to rest with its length perpendicular to direction of the field. When thin rod of diamagnetic substance is placed in uniform magnetic field is uniform, then that thin rod remains perpendicular to direction of the field. Third, resultant dipole moment of each atom of diamagnetic substance is zero. Resultant dipole moment of each atom is zero. Next, there is no effect of temperature on a diamagnetic material or diamagnetic substance. Next, if watch glass containing small quantity of diamagnetic liquid and placed on two dissimilar magnetic poles, liquid shows depression in the middle of the liquid. There is depression in the middle of the liquid. If, next property, if magnetic field is applied to a diamagnetic liquid in U tube and one arm magnetic field is applied. If magnetic field is applied to liquid in a one arm of U tube liquid, in that R is lower. If we consider U tube, in that U tube there is diamagnetic liquid and one of the R magnetic field is applied. Then that level is lower. So this is the property. Next, susceptibility. We have seen the constant susceptibility, permeability in last period. So this susceptibility is negative for this diamagnetic material. Susceptibility is negative. Now permeability of diamagnetic material is slightly less than 1. Permeability is less than 1. Susceptibility is negative. Examples of these diamagnetic substances: copper, bismuth, gold, silver, hydrogen, air, mercury, antimony, water, etc. These are the examples of diamagnetism. So this is one category of substance, that is diamagnetic substances. Now similarly, now paramagnetic substances. What are paramagnetic substances? Similar. The substances which are weakly attracted by magnet are called paramagnetic substances, and property is called paramagnetism. There is attraction, weakly attracted, therefore these are called paramagnetic, and property called paramagnetism. Now properties. When paramagnetic substance is placed in external uniform field, external uniform magnetic field, then it moves from weaker to stronger part of the field. In diamagnetic, stronger to weaker. In paramagnetic, weaker to stronger part of the field. Next, when thin rod of paramagnetic material is suspended in uniform magnetic field, its length, it comes to rest with length parallel to magnetic field. In diamagnetic, it remains perpendicular. In paramagnetic, it remains parallel to magnetic field. Now in this case, the resultant dipole moment of each atom is non-zero. But in case of diamagnetic material, it is zero. Next, there is effect of temperature on paramagnetic substance. Temperature effect is there for this paramagnetic substance. Next, if watch glass containing some paramagnetic liquid and placed on two dissimilar poles of the magnet, the liquid shows elevation in the middle. Paramagnetic liquid shows elevation, diamagnetic liquid shows depression. Next, if magnetic field is applied to a liquid in 1 hour of U tube, liquid level rises in that hour. In diamagnetic, it is lower. Now here the level is increased, or level rises in that hour. The susceptibility for paramagnetic material is small and positive. The permeability is slightly greater than 1. Permeability is slightly greater than 1. In this, it is in diamagnetic substance, it is slightly less than 1. These paramagnetic materials cannot be used for permanent magnets. These are not used for making permanent magnet. The permeability, the susceptibility of this paramagnetic material varies with absolute temperature. If susceptibility varies with absolute temperature, that is psi, inversely proportional to this absolute temperature T. 1 upon T, directly proportional to 1 upon T, or inversely proportional to absolute temperature. Now, examples of these paramagnetic materials, these are aluminium, chromium, platinum, oxygen, sodium, calcium, manganese, lithium. These are the examples of paramagnetic material. So, two types of the substances we have seen: paramagnetic substances and diamagnetic substances. काही वेळेला असा प्रश्न विचारला जाईल की या दोन्ही मधला फरक काय? Distinguish between diamagnetic substances and paramagnetic substances. त्यावेळेला आपल्याला 2 मार्कासाठी कमीत कमी 4 पॉइंट्स द्यावे लागतील. तर हे पॅरलल पॉइंट्स त्या ठिकाणी आहेत, त्याच्यावर आपल्याला फरकाचे पॉइंट्स त्या ठिकाणी देता येतील.